This is 2019 AP Calculus BC free response question number 4. We are given a barrel containing water with a constant radius of 1, and the only thing that's changing is the height that we know, and it's modeled by dh dt. So change in height with respect to time. And here in question A, we are asked to find the rate of change in volume. So dv dt at when the height of the water is 4 feet. So we know that the volume of the cylindrical barrel is the areas of the base times the height, which is pi r squared times height. And we want to find the first derivative of that. So since the radius is constant, the only chain rule we use is dh dt. And now we plug in dh dt, negative 1/10 times square root of h, and radius is 1. And now we evaluate it at h equals 4. And the answer is negative pi over 5. The unit is feet cube over second, feet cube per second. Now question B is asking whether the rate of change in height of the water with respect to time, which is dh dt, is increasing or decreasing. So to find this, we need to find the second derivative of dh dt, which is d squared h dt squared, and we need the chain rule for that. So simply take the derivative of dh dt and multiply by dh dt according to chain rule here. And now we evaluate this expression at h equals 3. Which gives 1 over 200. And notice that dh squared dt, which is the rate of change of dh dt, is more than 0. It's positive. Therefore, we can conclude that the rate of change of the height of the water with respect to time at h equals 3 is increasing, because d squared h dt squared at h equals 3 is greater than 0. Now question C is asking us to use the separation of variables to find the function h in terms of t with the initial condition at t equals 0. The height is 5, so h of t is 5. So first write down the equation dh dt. Then we can separate the variables on either side. So one side would be dh, the other would be dt. And we can integrate both sides and get this. So now we have the constant c, and we want to find the constant c using the initial condition. So at so h is 5, so and t is 0, so this one goes away. So c is 2 times square root of 5. Now we plug it back in, and solving for h alone, simply multiply both sides by 2. No, divide both sides by 2 and square it, so we get h, and we get this, and so h of t is t squared over 400 plus 5, and that's the answer. Thank you for watching.